The content of this video reflects the knowledge and experience which I got in my life. While I aim to share valuable insights based on my personal experiences, the information presented is for general informational purposes only. Please remember that the advice and opinions shared are not a substitute for professional advice or expert consultation. In this video, you can learn how to generate your own birth chart. You need 3 details to make your Lagna or Rasi chart. 1 date of birth, 2 time of birth. Exact birth time is necessary for accurate generation of your Lagna or Rasi chart. 3. Place of birth. There are many websites and softwares available by which you can generate your Lagna or Rasi chart. I will guide you here how to create your Rasi chart with Procorola website. The link for the website is given in the description. Here I am generating a Rasi chart for a random name Rajesh whose date of birth is August 19, 2017. His birth time is 11 a.m. in the morning and his place of birth is Bangalore. Here the chart is ready. Rasi and Navamsa chart are generated. Navamsa chart is not needed now. But let's look into the Rasi chart. The Lagna is the first house. Mostly it will be marked as ASC. In North Indian chart the houses are marked in anti-clockwise direction, and in South Indian chart, the houses are marked in clockwise direction. The nakshatra at which Lagna is positioned becomes your Lagna nakshatra. The nakshatra at which moon is positioned becomes your Rasi nakshatra. The nakshatra at which Lagna Lord is positioned becomes Lagna Lord nakshatra. In this Rasi chart, Lagna is in Libra Rasi, moon is in Gemini Rasi, and the moon nakshatra is in Punarvasu. Let's not go into Lagna nakshatra and Lagna Lord nakshatra now. But these 3 Lagna nakshatra, Rasi nakshatra and Lagna Lord nakshatra helps you find what karma you have got in this birth.